OrcDev here. Let's create one page in Next.js and fill it with YouTube videos using the YouTube API by Google. Let's roll. First, we're going to create a videos page. So we are going to create videos folder inside the app directory and inside page.tsx. And there, we are going to export default function and call it videos. And return just h1 videos to test it out. When we go to our new route videos, we see that h1 is there. So now we can fill it with YouTube videos from the API. Let's make that call. So now for our new videos page, we're going to create index TypeScript file. And there we're going to export asynchronous function and call it getYouTube videos. Now to fetch the videos, we're going to need Google API key and the API URL which we are going to shoot to get our videos. Now when we go to the Google API documentation, this is the API call that we need to get all the videos by YouTube channel. And also you're going to need an API key, so I'm going to put both links in the description below. I'm going to open my environment file and I'm going to put YouTube API key, channel ID and API URL inside so I can use it here. Now I'm going to create my variables. First one is API key and I'm going to call my variable YouTube API key from environment file. Then I need channel ID, which is YouTube API channel. Is that right? No, it's YouTube channel ID, like this. And the third one is URL, API URL, which is YouTube API URL. So now we need to fill in those variables from the environment file. So here, for the API key, I'm going to share with you the link below, but I'm not going to put it here because of the security reasons. And for the YouTube channel ID, just go to the public URL of whatever channel you would like to get videos from, and this one is the channel ID you need to put inside your environment file. And while we are here, check out OrcDev, guys. Hit that subscribe button and let's make some awesome code together. And now, let's continue to the YouTube API. So I'm going to copy my channel ID here, and for the YouTube API URL, we are going to take it from the Google API documentation here and paste it inside the YouTube API URL environment variable. Now, when we have all three variables, I'm going to create a fetch call to get all the videos from our YouTube channel by Google API. So I'm going to create try catch first, and in catch, I'm going to catch an error and throw new error, and I'm going to put an error occurred while fetching the videos. And now the fetch call. Simple fetch will do it. So const data equals to fetch, and then inside the API URL goes first, and then as parameters I'm going to send key, which is API key variable, and channel ID, like this. We have our channel ID. Let's maybe, to make it consistent, change it like this to be the same. I'm going to order it by date, and we need part equals snippet, where we are getting the title to display it in our component or page. Now just return await data.json, like this. What is it? Oh yes, we need to await fetch here also, and potentially we can put if not data okay to throw new error, something like failed to fetch. videos. And this one should be fine. Let's try it out on our page. So we can copy our function name, and then inside our page we can use import that one from here, from the index file, and we can then call here videos equals to get YouTube videos, and call the function to see what we get. Let's console log it. Okay, a promise. We're going to change this to a sync function and await this one. And yes, this is our result. This looks promising. So now we need to display these videos inside our component. So when we check the results here, we see that everything is inside the items, and there we need video ID for sure to display the embedded code, and we're going to need from the snippet the title. And that's everything basically. We're going to show the title and the video. Now, being is TypeScript, we're going to create new type and call it video. And there, so we said here we have ID, so it's this one. So that's kind string, and video ID also string. And the other one was snippet and then title. So there we're going to put snippet, and we're going to take title string. And that one should be good. Let's just make it a little bit more readable, like this. Yes. And basically the videos here should be, we can create a type YouTube response and make it like this, items, and that items are multiple videos. And videos are our YouTube response here. And now we can go and iterate through each video and display it inside our component. Now I'm going to create a new div, and I'm going to use grids, and I'm going to put 3 columns there. And finally the iteration through all the videos. So a map, a video with the type of video that we created up there, and to return a div where we are putting the key of video.id.videoid, like this. Here we just put a simple iframe with source like this link with embed code, and the ID is going to be our video.id.videoid. And to close the iframe. So let's see what are we getting now on our page. And we got our videos. Really nice. Although it's not in 3 columns. Let me see what's wrong. Yes, it should be calls, not call. That's much better. Although we have only 5 videos here. Let's check how to fix that. So in our API call we need max results, and we're going to put it 40, for example. And now when we put it here inside as a parameter, max results equals to max results. Let's see what we get. And finally, I have all the videos from my YouTube channel here on this page. And the great thing is that it's automatic, so each time I post a new video, it will end up here on my website. And that's it for now. Of course, this page needs a bunch of upgrading. First of all, the design is ugly as hell, and we are calling the videos inside the component, so it's pre-rendered each time. I would definitely build some kind of loading and maybe some search feature. What would you build next? Comment below.